Hello everyone, welcome to this new technology moment. I'm Alan, and today a fantastic device, and more than a device, a service that we had been wanting to test for quite some time, as many of its features and its characteristics, of course oriented for that Web3, are in accordance with our thoughts, just as well as the manufacturer claims once with these devices. Let me tell you why. This is not going to be just a simple video, it's going to be a series of videos, as there are so many features that you can benefit from that we just could not be able to cover them in a single video. So today, first, what you get in the box when you buy a device from Deeper Networks, such as the Deeper Connect Air. In our next video, we're going to be showing you the Deeper Connect Mini and about the Air, not only what you're getting in terms of hardware, but also what you get in terms of software and services from the brand. Second, we're going to be covering basic installation of this device, which is as simple as it gets. Third, we're going to be showing you this device in action and an overview of its main characteristics, what this device is, and what we perceived and watched in a real-life scenario. And then we're going to give our conclusions of what we thought about it, things to improve, and what we think in general about this whole new era of communications. Okay, so right to the point, the device that we are going to be analyzing today is the Deeper Connect Air, which, as the manufacturer describes, is a pocket-sized wireless travel VPN adapter / router that is portable and can offer you a great deal of possibilities in terms of security, internet access control. Of course, very typical of decentralized networks of Web3, which we like for its collaborative essence. Like I said, we're going to be discussing these in several videos. This portable device will provide you with a decentralized VPN, or DPN as they call it, features ad blocking, a very interesting 7-layer firewall, and even parental control needed by many concerned parents around the world. If you're into crypto, by the way, you may even like the possibility of mining using your unused ISP bandwidth using powerful devices from the brand. And as I said at the beginning of this video, it is a subscription-free model, which we also like and encourage. Again, the essence of a Web3 model. What you get in the box, as you can see right here, very neatly packaged, is the wireless USB adapter that at first glance might just look as a simple Type-C Wi-Fi network card with a USB-C adapter. It actually is much more than that, as you'll be able to watch in a moment. It is very easy to install, and what I mean is that it is very easy to configure, as it actually installs itself as a new network adapter. We even tested such installation in older computers, such as this almost 10-year-old laptop, with a flawless interaction with it. A few seconds after connecting it, the red light will tell you that it is ready to be set up, and the way of having access to its configuration is by having access to the user's interface and its fantastic Atom OS by typing in your web browser this address. These are the default values for admin access. Of course, change it as soon as possible. In your Windows PC, you'll see it as this new adapter, and it'll look as a wired connection, only that it will show you the link speed as that of the active wireless connection. You'll then scan the available Wi-Fi networks here, connect to it as if you were just configuring your computer's network card, and you'll be done and ready to use the device. The only aspect that might require a little bit more explanation, especially for beginners, is the fact that you have to proceed with a certificate installation for a complete ad blocking and security features, which is nothing more than just placing a certification authority in your computer that'll take care of encrypting and decrypting all the information that comes in and out of your computer. This is basically the essence of Deeper Network. By the way, that configuration is kept in the device in its Atom operating system, so if you connect it, for example, to another computer, it will connect automatically to that Wi-Fi network and keep all its settings. So what are the main characteristics of Deeper Network? Like I said, the essence of Deeper Network lies on the fact that the device that you get, this device in this case, will be associated with services that go hand in hand with that certificate installed in your computer and will act as the entity in charge of managing your digital security. That and the fact that it is a decentralized internet network access, which makes the whole idea of Deeper Network an impressive approach to a secure internet access in such peer-to-peer model. It will provide you with an additional protection by using many other Deeper Network devices around the world. This to connect as if you were somewhere else, but not at a single location, but omnipresent. involving, besides all that, VPN encryption for your data security guaranteed by their certification authority. If you think about it, it will, for all intents and purposes, act as your security firm managing access to your premises, as well as scanning every single package that enters or leaves your property. You might have guessed that for that, you need to have full confidence in such security firm. Hence, why it is so important to read both agreements. And at this point, many may still ask, what is a Deeper Connect Air device? Well, it will be exactly this piece of hardware that will act as that device in the middle of your communications, guaranteeing such security and performance dictated by Deeper Network, and being, of course, the final node of data being sent or received. This small device not only connects your computer, but will let other devices connect through its broadcasted Wi-Fi network. Yes, this one that you see on the right. This is the default password that you can see right here. Of course, you might want to change it immediately, and let's change it for I Love Deeper 2 in this case. So in every practical sense, it is basically a router. So if you were to need it, for example, without powering up your laptop or a desktop computer, you could connect it to a docking station, as you can see right here, or a USB power adapter letting other devices connect to your broadcasted, secure, Deeper Network Wi-Fi. Very interesting. It is an incredibly small, portable, yet powerful enough device, even though local access speeds were not as fast as compared to direct connected devices to your laptop. Here, internet speeds with full routing mode. Here, with smart routing. And here, we're seeing speeds achieved to local servers in the same network. Still, not the best, but speed is not the purpose of this device. These were the link speeds reported by the access point and the Wi-Fi version. So in such real-life use, we were able to test many aspects that most users are going to want to know. In terms of internet connection speed, it may be severely affected. For daily use, it sure will be barely noticeable. The speed that shows the adapter is the actual speed at which the adapter is connecting to your access point, but that may be very different to the actual transfer speed. You will have a complete way of personalizing how each of your apps or services will reach the internet, letting you choose which one is the country that you want to use for connection purposes. And this thanks to that peer-to-peer scheme, letting you use other Deeper Network devices around the world as a decentralized gateway. You can even choose to use full mode if you want to access completely from a different place in the world, all your traffic. This poses a question that may be valid for many. Will we be at risk of being notified of copyright infringement use of your internet connection if the connection were to use for illegal purposes? Also, a topic that will be discussed in a future, more detailed video. That ad blocker is fantastic. Once in action, one of the things that you will most likely realize is how many ads you were perceiving as news. It's incredible nowadays the astonishing amount of trash people are receiving as news. This also makes you wonder how irresponsible media sites are when they present you among their news ads posing as news. Not that you didn't know about it, I'm sure of that, but now it may be more obvious than ever. It is almost as irresponsible as making you pay for news subscriptions, but that is a topic again for a whole different video. Among many other things, the Deeper Connect Air will let you have parental control over your network. Just remember that you need to disable Safe DNS in your browser. So Deeper Network can inspect absolutely all your traffic, even DNS resolution. Install the certificate in your devices, procedures that, by the way, even though we found very simple to implement and follow, may bring some confusion to some users, particularly when you're going to use your Wi-Fi connection without the Deeper Network device, leaving you vulnerable as such configuration is done at a browser level. So here the main consideration for DNS is that if you're gonna use the Deeper Network device, you're gonna stick to it or reverse all your changes if you're not gonna use it anymore. The first time that you connect to such network, for example right here from an Android device, you may actually believe that your network or the network that you're accessing through has a potential security risk. But once you finish the configuration, all those warnings will not be shown anymore. This is basically what the Deeper Connect devices do, is a packet inspection as well as a safe DNS. Parental control worked as expected, letting you filter unwanted sites inside your home or office. You will keep access to your local network through your Wi-Fi and be able to transfer files among your devices with no problem. Only that it's gonna be done at the device's Wi-Fi capabilities, which may be a little bit slower. Okay, so now our conclusions. Did we find a device worth using? Absolutely, and we'll keep using it for many months so we can continue sharing with you all our experiences. Of course, and solving any doubts that may arise from their use. We found a very powerful device being capable of sharing such internet capabilities with your surrounding devices. An ultra-compact router. It will provide us with what we need most nowadays, security. Parental control may be a strong feature among many concerned parents who wish to have their networks and their kids under control. Bigger devices like the Deeper Connect mini set may be extraordinary for offices and small businesses too. Travelers and telecommuters may find many features worth exploring, not only for entertainment, which was fantastic in our tests, but also for security, which is exactly what most users are longing for. Again, in a very portable design. We also liked that the device not only works on recent computers, but we also tested it in fairly older computers like this 6th generation i3 laptop with absolutely no performance impact. About all these main characteristics, please remember that this is our particular point of view and experience. And as this device is so versatile in terms of its use, there may be many points of view regarding the many uses that you can give to Deeper Connect devices, and particularly this Deeper Connect Air, that differ from our particular experience. Remember that our next video is going to be dedicated to that Deeper Connect mini set with many cool features and the possibility of sharing your unused bandwidth for mining purposes and crypto involvement. So we really hope that this video was as informative as it was intended, as we value the time that you spend watching our content. The whole purpose of our videos is to share the experience that we had. So if you're in the decision-making process of getting one of these fantastic devices from Deeper Network, you make an informed decision. Stay tuned for our next videos and see you next time.